All right, guys, this is a topic that has not been talked a lot into the crypto market, but I believe that it's super, super important. And this video is for beginners only, for someone that really starting out and wants to get into the crypto market. They've never done this before, so please listen because this is very, very important for you. So the number one thing that you have to do when you get into the crypto market is to understand the security of your assets, right? And put those security measures in place, because as probably you've seen in the news that there's been a lot of hacking. Even Coinbase has been hacked. So it's more important than ever to understand how to protect your password, how to create a very strong password, and also make sure that you save those passwords in a very safe place, because you are the only one that can retrieve your wallets and can access exchanges. But if you don't have that password, it's not gonna be possible. Okay, so let's get straight to the point. There is this website that you can use to actually create a very strong password. Okay, so let me minimize this real quick. The website is called xkpasswd.net. Okay, so this is the website where you can go there and you can create a password that's going to be very, very difficult to hack by computers or even hackers, right? So how does it work? It's very, very simple. If you want to play with the settings right here, you can add multiple words, right? You can change the length here. You can alter them. You can alternate any word case. For example, you can capitalize first letter, capitalize every letter, but try to create a password, okay, that you're able to remember with a hint. Okay, so you can add all these things. You can padding digit, you can padding symbols, and just to make an example, right? When you're here and you click on generate passwords, that's what's going to happen. Okay, so it's gonna give you 3 passwords that you can choose, and you can use those passwords. You can, for example, to get the final password for your exchanges or for your wallets. Okay, so one recommendation that I want to give you is that this website is secure, but it's better to be safe than sorry. So you can change some words right here, okay, so that will allow you to modify the password. We had great there. We can change it to, for example, tomorrow, right? Right here. So just add different words. So because they're not storing these passwords, but it's always better to change them. Okay. So having this structure will give you a very strong password that you can use for your exchanges, your wallets, and your emails. Theoretically, you should have one password for the emails and one password for exchanges and wallets, but that's up to you. But make sure that you will save those passwords, because otherwise you'll not be able to access those. Okay, so that's number one tip. Then the second tip that I want to give you is to use a password manager. Okay, this is what I recommend, and that's what I personally use in my business and for my crypto. And the software is called LastPass. Okay, and what it is basically is a password manager. Okay, so when you will add a password to a specific website, when you have this installed, it will ask you if you want to save that password in their software, so that when you log in again, you don't have to type it, right? So It's a very famous software. A lot of people use it. It's very secure. I personally use it and I recommend it because you can save those passwords in there, and it's very, very important. And also, do not forget to literally write down on a piece of paper those passwords, because you never know, right? Make sure you don't share the password with anyone, because once someone has the password, they can access your crypto, they can steal it, and that's it. There's no way to recover. Okay, so that's when it comes to the password sites, and yeah, so that's it. Very simple. Just be safe. And make sure that you have this small security systems in place, because guys, hackers are on the rise and you have to protect your crypto. So I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next.